So this is a Zoom test. This is a test of the emergency Zoom system. If this were a real Zoom, you would be instructed, well, I'll stop there. Anyway, this is a test. So I'm going to share the screen and I'm going to go to our Google Classroom. I'm going to go to a 6th grade Google Classroom and I'm going to demonstrate something and I'd like you to try it. I really don't need you to try it because, as I said, this is a test. So we're going to scroll down on our stream page and I have a program called UI Draw. We're going to take one of the tools and we'll start with shaded and we're going to work on perhaps setting up a face, a little bit in the Picasso style. And what's cool about this program is the features for the pencil are super cool. So let's see what we can make. Right now it's really moody. Try to make this one a little more festive. Let's go to web. Web is cool because when you go and draw 2 lines, the web shows up between them. So you gotta like that. That's cool. So here's the lips. Attitude. Try to get some shading on the cheek. Go from there. Go back to, I like fur. That's got a cool, maybe you can do that for the background. To me, it's not really fur. It's still super cool. So let's go to plain because I want a nice, neat line here. And nice, neat line here. Now we have person, rather moody person. Little shoulder action. Now I'm going to come back to some of those fancy lines. And you can do color. For this one, we'll just stick to the basics. I really like this feature. If you keep going back to where you were, it's going to do more 3-dimensional things. So that has possibilities. In fact, I'm going to use that up in the top of the head for hair. Now, we don't own this program, and you could blame my bosses for that, but we can't save it and work on it later. I don't think. I've had trouble doing that. But what you can do is you can work on yours and then screenshot it. Let me finish up a little of this non-fur fur and go from there. And I think I'll finish with a signature. And kind of hard to do. You can do Command-Shift-4, screenshot, and there it is. So let's stop share. That is all. Get to work.